Welcome back to the Loan Arranger Radio Show. Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage. Thank you so much for joining me on this beautiful weekend. Hope you're enjoying it. A little warm out this weekend, but lots of things to do. Great time to be out looking to buy a home. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home, give me a call. I'll connect you with a great real estate agent, and you get 25% back from the realtor. Now is the time you need a great real estate agent more than ever. So call the Loan Arranger. You can reach me now at 407-706-3313 or anywhere in the Tampa area, all the way down to Cape Coral, 813-213-4009. We've talked a little bit about what's going on in the market, but you know what? Unfortunately, last week was a rough week, and Monday started off this week as well. Not so great. Market's been hammered. We lost about 150 basis points in the bond market. And just to put that in plain English, that means whatever was at 0 points the beginning of last week ended up being about 1.5 points by the end of the week or first thing on Monday. So now interest rates are definitely north of 7% in most cases. But I will tell you, we're still seeing a lot of activity in the market. The activity did not slow down. And I think that, believe it or not, high interest rates or higher interest rates are to the advantage of the buyer. Now, why would you think that I believe that? I'll tell you why. Because think about this. Are you reluctant to enter the market to buy a home if interest rates are higher rather than lower? Of course, you're going to say yes. So that means less buyers are entering the market. If less buyers are entering the market, then sellers don't have as many buyers knocking on their door. What does that give the buyer? More negotiating strength. Listen, you're going to refinance. Whether interest rates are 6.5, 6.25, or 7.5, when they hit 5.25, you get to refinance. And if you come to me for your mortgage and you refinance later, you pay no lender fees at CrossCountry Mortgage, the Loan Arranger. So listen, write my number down, 407-706-3313 or WeBringYouHome.com. Call me from Tampa area, 813-213-4009. Look, inflation is up. That's why rates are up. We had a bad sell-off on the bond market. That's why inflation is up. We have a crappy president. We have a crappy Federal Reserve. They don't know what they're doing. That's driving interest rates up. So remember that when you go to the voting booth in December, who had a better economy? I don't care who you like. I don't care who walks faster. I'm just telling you, you better vote right or you will lose more money in your 401k and your real estate values. We all made more money before we had Biden in there. That's my call. It's not a political show, but since it's my radio show, I can talk about anything I want to. Can't I, Bella?
Yes, you can.
So I have Bella Sandison with me. She's one of my loan officers. She's absolutely fabulous. And by the way, you can check this show out on my YouTube channel, Bruce Woodburn, the Loan Arranger YouTube channel, or Spotify or iHeartRadio. But you can meet and see Bella, the most beautiful, attractive loan officer in the business, bar none. She's got it hands down. But that's not where her talents lie. Her talents lie as a loan officer. She's on my team. She's oftentimes on call on the weekends. So tell me a little bit about yourself, Bella, and what do you do? Or tell them. I know all about you.
Thank you so much for having me here. I do love working with you and your team. So thank you. We have a lot of great products and programs here at the Cross Country. So I am on call during Saturdays and Sundays, not always, but if I'm not on call, you can still give me a call at 407-451-7773. I also do speak Portuguese. So I'm very knowledgeable in the foreign national area. So if you are a Brazilian agent or just know anybody in the Brazil community and they need help, please also have them contact me. Se você está trabalhando com os brasileiros, pode me ligar. Obrigada.
Oh, that's beautiful. So listen, she's great. She can handle, she speaks English pretty good too. I will tell you that. So Bella, on my team, great loan officer. I like to bring more of my loan officers on there just to introduce them to you, my friends, my listeners out there, so that you know who on my team you can count on. Because if you can't always reach me on the weekend, you can always count on Bella. I'll also be introducing Bonnie on the call as well. Crystal, Kemper, Sarah, Monica, all kinds of us out here to service you. Looks like I have all women here. Do I have any men working here right now?
We
Am
run
I
the
the
show.
only guy?
You are the only
You guys
guy.
have run off all the men but me.
Soon we're going to run you off too.
Oh
It'll
my
be
God.
us.
All right. They're going to get rid of the Lone Ranger. So listen, Bella, thanks for joining me today. Are you on call at all this weekend?
I believe on Sunday.
Okay, beautiful. Fantastic. So if you'd like to get pre-qualified or talk to a qualified loan officer, Bella will be available on my Sunday. So you'll be listening to this on Saturday and Sunday. And great. Thanks for joining me today.